Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Extremely excited to offer you guys this 96 GMC Yukon XL 2500/Suburban. This is a locally owned car that I've been chasing down for 4 years to buy. We finally picked it up today. The previous owner has kept this truck since day one of ownership in the garage. Tens of thousands of dollars worth of servicing, upgrades, and reconditioning, as well as restoration. Anything and everything that you could have possibly done to this truck has been done. Received a complete paint job a couple years back. Since then has been garage kept as always. Riding on a near new set of Michelin tires. This is a four-wheel drive 7.4 truck. He was only willing to sell us the truck. He's seen many of our 2500s that we have produced, and he knew we were the right company to get this one. I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse. And we just got this truck in today, guys, so we're going to do a ton of stuff to it. But just to give you guys an idea of what we're looking at here, I mean, literally service records since day one of ownership. I mean, there's got to be 150 plus records in here, and these are, I was going through these are lengthy records. $500, $1,200, $2,500, $1,300, $700. They go on and on and on and on. What we are doing with the truck, since it just got painted, which is a beautiful two-tone, it's leveled. I mean, the truck is just absolutely gorgeous. We're going to go ahead and wet sand the paint. It's going to make it look that much better. The engine has a current wrist pin issue going on, so we're putting in a brand new motor. Check out our listing, davisautosports.com. Read it thoroughly to see exactly what we're going to do to this truck. And if you guys have any questions, let us know. Thank you. All right, guys, believe it or not, these are a fraction of the service records for this 96 Suburban. I just went through all of these, added them up on the calculator. I stopped at $60,000. There was more left. And what you're seeing here, these are actually, I mean, a lot of these have multiple pages behind them stapled together. So a lot of these are 3-4 pages deep per invoice worth of service records. So absolutely incredible history on this thing. As you'll see, a lot of this stuff is serviced at 3 or 4 of the major dealerships. You have King, you have Dominion. So just absolutely incredible service history since day one of ownership. We have records dating back to 1996. Every single thing that was done to it. And the last, and this is most important, because what happened in 96 and 97 and 2000, that's great and all, but in the last year and a half, mostly in the last 6 months, nearly $13,000 worth of services. And we're going to outline those services on the listing, more so than everything that has dated back. A lot of additional AC Delco parts, all the cool little books, and just a ton of other things are included. We have boxes of a lot of different things, but it's just, you do not find documentation like this. We also have the original book and pamphlets. We have the original window sticker in great condition, and we also have the title. Okay, these are some of the more recent services that we have over here on this side. And I mean, if you look at a lot of these, I mean, they're $1,500 services, $1,600 service, $1,000 service, $500 service, nearly $1,100 service, $750 service, $1,700 service, another almost 600, and so on. So absolutely incredible. And keep in mind what we're getting ready to do to this truck to make it that much nicer. Make sure to take a look at that on the listing, and hope you guys enjoy.